What do you think it is? What a dark video. It's such a dark, dreary day. That's for Veda. Yeah, Mommy brought you that back. From where did I get that? Was that Barcelona? Yeah, I think that was Barcelona. Yeah. You see what's inside? Yeah? Here, do you want some help? Look, there's a package. Do you see the package? What could be in there? That's probably very hard for babies to open. What's more exciting? The package or the bag? Let's see. Here, Mommy help you a little bit. Let's get in here. Oh. You reach inside now. What's in there? What could it be? Yeah? Here, no, there's something in there. Don't give up. Don't give up. Here. Here. See, little something sticking out? Do you see? What could it be? You can pull it out. What is it? Oh. What is it? Do you like it? What do you think? It's like a sock monkey, but it's a sock cat. Yeah. Do you like it? Not so sure? Yeah? You like the bag better? The sock monkey's cute. Yes. That's for Veda. Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah, I think you do. Yeah. Yes. What should we call it? Hey, what should we call it? Yeah, it's good. You like? Yeah. Okay.